Hello everyone, today we will show you how to mileage correction on Mercedes-Benz W206 W223 W223 IC223 IC177 M instrument cluster using our Ultra-S Prog cluster with Mercedes-Benz A177. Here, the processor MCU is R7F701529. First, we give power to Ultra-S Prog and connect to computer via USB. Select the correct menu according to the vehicle model. Then click on the diagram. The diagram will show you which adapter to use and how to solder wires to instrument cluster PCB. Once soldered done, click the R&W miles button in the upper left corner. Our device will automatically start cracking chip and reading the data. After the data is read, please save backup file to desktop. Then our software will automatically upload data to our server for calculation. Enter the target mileage, then click Modify. Our device will automatically modify data and write to instrument cluster. As you can see, file write completed. Then remove adapter wires, solder capacitors, backboard, and put emulator 2 cluster ECU module.